find by differentiation the coordinates of the turning points on this curve, on the curve y is equals to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 5, stating the nature of each turning point. Saka, the first thing, panapa pakufunzwa the coordinates. Ma questions tu ataita kwekutanga, anga achivunza the x coordinates, but panapa tirikuda the coordinates. So listen carefully kuti tinowana say ma coordinates. Appreciating earlier kuti ma coordinates it's xy. Saka question ekutanga yachingenga chingoda x, tofunga kusa kuti y tinomuwana say. It's easy, but listen. Okay. Saka answering first part, find by differentiation the coordinates of what? The turning points. Saka tatishi 8 turning point. And itika dy dx is equal to chi 0. Saka what is dy dx? We are differentiating this and it should be easy play. How do we differentiate it? It's just 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. Ndiyo inofanga kuwa equal to 0. So I hope we are all comfortable with differentiating a simple algebraic expression, which is what we are having here. So let us solve this. And kuti tiwane ma x coordinates. Saka kusolva izvi, it's just multiplying 3x squared times minus 4, that's minus 12x squared. We need factors of minus 12x squared such that multiply them, they give us minus 12x squared. Add them, they give us minus 4x. Saka, what are they? Tikashansa 6x na 2x. Tovatadai so. Minus 6x plus 2x ndi minus 4x. Tick. Minus 6x times 2x ndi minus 12x squared. Tick. Saka takungodai 3x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. Compartmentalize. Chingezi. To factor out 3 na x to saranan na x minus 2. Tot plus to factor out 2 chasara na x minus 2 is equals to 0. Confirm 3x times x the 3x squared, 3x times minus 2 the minus 6x, 2 times x the 2x, and 2 times minus 2 the minus 4. Okay. Saka panapa it's 3 plus 2 x minus 2, which is equal to 0. Saka zoreva kuti 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 jamba, saka 3x is equal to minus 2 to divide both sides na 3. So zvinongoreva kuti ma3 ari kuchekana kunoku x is equal to minus 2 over 3. Then kunoku x is just equal to 2 minus 2 jamba. Saka panapa tiri kuti therefore x is equal to 2 or minus 2 over 3. These are the x coordinates at the turning point. You might make a conclusion, my brackets, mungoti x coordinates. I think this will help. So x coordinates at turning point. Yeah. So tangati singazviti earlier, but please do this. It will help you understand and help you communicate effectively your answer. Saka tawana ma x coordinates, takuda zoti ma y tinomawana sei. Because we need points, coordinates, not only x coordinates. So I'm going to use a yellow color kwana ma y coordinates. And it saka tokona ngoti consider y coordinates. Tinomawana sei. Saka ma y coordinates tinomawana tichishandisa ma x coordinates. taudzwa kuti y is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. So tichashandisa ma x coordinates aya kuwana kuti y anenge akamira sei. Saka tinongoti when x is equal to 2 and toyapanototi when x is equal to 2, you can actually slightly underline that. Saka patinenge tati when x is equal to 2, tinenge taku substitute 2 into this function kuti tiwane kuti y anenge ari chii. Because chirukitika panapa, if you want to look at it, we have a curve and apa ndingasvimo rakadai. Satiri kuti x anenge ari equal to 2 panapa. Toda kuziva kuti y anenge ari equal to chii pa this turning point. X ndi 2 ko y ndiani? Because this is the y and the x-axis. Understand zviri kuitika. Saka ndo zvatiri kuda kuita apo. So we are going to rewrite y in that particular way. Saka y iri equal to tiri kuti 2 cubed and pese pana x turikisa 2 minus 2 twadati 2 squared minus 4 to multiply 2 twadati plus 5, like that. So this is equal to 2 times 24, 4 times 28, 2 squared into 4, 4 times 20 minus 8, minus 4 times 2 the minus 8 plus 5. 8 minus 8 the 0, tasarwa 9 minus 8 plus 5 anova chi minus 3. Saka y ari equal to minus 3. Tuwatangoti therefore the turning point yatiri kudapo is equal to x ndi 2 y ndi minus 3. So that's the turning point. Question yati coordinates. Saka tichazonyora edu a wholesome conclusion, but let us do that at that particular point. Takuda kutsvaga manje kuti ko y anenge ari chii x kana ari minus 2 over 3. Saka teta kungoti when x is equal to minus 2 over 3, y is equal to chi. Saka we are basically copying that. We know that y is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. We know that. Saka panapa takuti y is equal to, taku replace minus 2 over 3 cubed minus 2 twadati minus 2 over 3 squared and minus 4 multiplying minus 2 over 3, like that, totishi plus 5. Saka this is equal to, what is minus 2 over 3 cubed? Remember, we have to take the cube of both the numerator and denominator. Saka minus 2 to the power 3 minus 2, tinongoti 2 times 24, 4 times 28, so it's minus 8 over 3 times 3, that's 9, 9 times 3, that's 27, like that. Then up it's minus 2 multiplying chi, minus 2 squared, that's 4 over, saka it's minus 2 squared and 3 squared and then the 9, like that. Then it's minus 4 multiplying minus 2 over 3. Saka we can solve that, and minus 4 times minus 2, that's plus 8 over 3. It is okay. Tangoti minus 4 times minus 2, that's 8 over 3, to that plus 5. So for fear of making unnecessary mistakes, let me just put that in a calculator. So it's minus 8 over 27, subtracting 2 multiplying 4 over 9, 2 over 30 plus 8 over 3, then plus 5. What is this equal to? This is equal to 175 over 27. So tukwana 175 over 27. Taisa mu calculator as it is. Okay. Saka let us make a conclusion. Sapana patrikuti therefore turning point and is equal to x ndian minus 2 over 3 y angarichi 175 over 27 like that. Okay, saka panapa these are the two turning points, but question yedu yanagumira ipapo. Question yedu yabva yati stating the nature of each turning point. Saka what is the nature of each turning point? Do yatakuda ku answer. But in order for us to be able to answer that, tinotanga tati nature of, then we elect a turning point yatirikuda. Saka turning point yekutanga yata 1 ndiani ndi 2 minus 3. Saka nature of 2 minus 3 like this. But we know that the nature is given by what? The second derivative. So what is the second derivative? Tamboitsvaga iri second derivative hatina. Saka chatangotsvaga chi I first derivative, which is this one. Murukona. Saka we know what dy dx is. Saka we are just going to write what dy dx is, then totsvaga kuti what is the second derivative. So dy dx the 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. So let us do that. Panapa ngatiti dy dx iri equal to 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. Let me check if my memory serves me well. Yes. Saka what is the second derivative panapa? The second derivative will be 2 anodono yoveta 6x minus 4 like that. And saka manjitada iso, always remember this is xy. Saka tsukana chida kuziva kuti nature yakamira sei, because nature inopiwa ne second derivative. Ticha substitute x yonani na 2 because 2 ndiye ari represent x panapa. So this is equal to 6 times 2 minus 4, which is 12 minus 4, which is 8. But 8 yatina basa nayo, chatangoitsvagira sign yayo, is it a positive or a negative? And we can see it's a positive. Saka d2y dx2 is greater than 0. Kureva kuti tinechi, this is a minimum turning point. You can therefore say, therefore 2 minus 3 is a minimum turning point. Just to clarify your answers. And it's quite easy. Let us do the second part. Nature of, what was the second turning point? Do iya. Saka nature of minus 2 over 3, 175 over 27. Do nature itakuda kutsvaga. And there's no need yekudzokorodza kutsvaga what the second derivative is, since tatomboitsvaga kunoku. Saka we know kuti the second derivative and is equal to 6x minus 4. Saka panapa tichango substitute x ndian minus 2 over 3. Saka it's 6 multiplying minus 2 over 3 minus 4. This is equal to 3 into 3, 1 into 6 into 2, and 2 times minus 2, that's minus 4, which is minus 8. 8 minus 8. And if I minus 8 kudaro, what are we saying? d2y dx2, it's less than 0 because it's negative. Kureva kuti, you can then come here. Therefore, minus 2 over 3, 175 over 27 is a maximum turning point. It's a maximum turning point.